Hi guys, this is Prachi Desai and you're watching Bollywood Hangama.
Okay, now Prachi, we have something interesting. We'd like to have your rapid fire as well.
Ooh.
You're damn good at that. She's damn good at segments and everything.
I didn't know
We're
this.
No, but with Imran Hashmi,
So, I don't know how
it was-
all that general knowledge, I don't know where I got that from. I just knew
so
it.
you're it's like it comes.
Or maybe I
naturally.
came prepared for only for your interview.
Or maybe you discover
because
it-
I thought
or
I'll get a
maybe-
hamper that day, which I didn't get, but I got this amazing gift
It
today.
happens, like this is
Thank you guys.
investment for future.
That is what
maybe,
it is.
Maybe you discover yourself on Bollywood Hangama. That's what happens.
True.
As well, yeah. So you never.
You
know.
bring out the best in me.
I wouldn't want to take credit for that. It's basically, I'm just trying to show you the mirror. That's about it. All right, so rapid fire with Prachi Desai. Your one favorite Magic member from Rock On 1 and one from Rock On 2. Who's your favorite Magic member?
Ooh, that's a tough one. I think it is Farhan from Magic, from Rock On 1 from Magic. I think that's definitely my favorite band member. I think from Rock On 2 as well, it has to be Farhan. I mean, he's my husband, so. I mean, yeah, that's how it's gonna be.
Okay. All right, so if you have to sing a song at an event from any of Rock On 1 or Rock On 2, which will it be?
It has to be the title track.
Title track.
I just think it's something that it's just at the tip of everybody's tongue, and it's that song which has the most repeat value. It's also something that really gets stuck into your head. So it's Rock On. I mean, you just I guess it's got that infectious energy as well. You start singing and people want to start swaying along with you. Yeah.
Okay, if you're offered Rock On 3 and Bol Bachchan 2 at the same time and you have to choose only one, which one will it be?
Bol Bachchan 2. I'll tell you why. I can't get older than this in my roles. Come on, in Rock On 3, just imagine how old am I going to be? Unless I'm taking a second birth, then I'm completely cool. I can be a band member and I can be one of those, cool rock stars in the film. That's okay. But if I have to get older from there, then no, I'm doing Bol Bachchan 2.
Bol Bachchan 2. Okay, Farhan Akhtar or Arjun Rampal, who's hotter?
Come on. Don't do this.
Just like you have to.
How
It's
conveniently you put us in this situation. Okay, I'll answer this question if you answer one question for me.
Please do.
Shraddha Kapoor or Prachi Desai, who's hotter?
Shraddha Kapoor or Prachi Desai? Obviously Prachi Desai.
I think Faridun is hotter than both of them.
No, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. Prachi Desai definitely. And I hope that Shraddha is not watching it because I'm interviewing her tomorrow.
Shraddha, I'm sending you the link. Hey!
I'm doing an interview with her tomorrow and
You must tell her
I'll tell
that
her.
you chose me.
I'll tell her. I chose you. No, I'll tell her I chose you.
That you were on at gunpoint.
Yeah.
And
No,
I
no,
made
no,
you choose
nothing,
me.
Nothing of that. So nothing of that. That's all. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. So Farhan Akhtar or Arjun Rampal?
You're still back on that.
But it's a question. It's a valid question actually.
Ah.
Both of them are very good looking people.
Yeah, and that's why you're putting me in this situation. Okay, Arjun.
Okay. If you get a chance to live life of any Bollywood star for a day, who will it be?
That's very interesting. I've never thought about this, but I think Kangana. I think it would be Kangana. She's just something who's very intriguing, very fascinating, and she's also one of those few people who's not on social media, and which is why I think we're all the more curious to know what's happening.
All right. Explain in 5 words why Rock On 2 is better than Rock On 1.
Just 5 words.
Mhm.
Because I have short hair in Rock On 2.
Which you find more cooler?
Which is way cooler. Look at me.
Right. No, I think you're looking really good. I was Manzar Naya, you were there, right? You're
Yeah,
just sitting in
Manzar
the.
Naya.
Yeah, I think that one shot, it's really nice.
Thank you so much.
If you are looking, it's an interesting question. If you're looking at the matrimonial column of a newspaper, what first thing you'll notice about the guy?
His education.
Good.
Yeah.
Good. Weirdest thing you've ever done because you were getting bored?
Oh my god, I'm supposed to say it here?
Please do.
Okay, I'm oh god, the weirdest thing I've done because I was getting bored. Actually, it's because I was addicted to some TV show at that point. I think I almost didn't shower for 3 days because I was only doing marathon episodes of watching that show, and I couldn't get enough of it.
Fantastic, fantastic.